As you can see, my terrarium are doing pretty well. The moss is still active, and the little plants seem to be thriving okay. However, I have seen a bit of a problem that I should have expected, but I didn't really. Let me adjust this light over here. I didn't really expect to have this kind of a problem in terrarium, but since I did gather this moss from outside, maybe I should have, but let me show you. Let me pull this out. I have weeds. I don't know if you can see those. Those are still so tiny yet, but there are weeds in the terrarium. That looks like a little bit of clover or oxalis. I did have a tiny bit of mold over here, but I reached in and pulled it out, and it seems to be okay now. But I'm kind of astounded that I would have weeds. So I had to go find some tweezers to take care of this situation. The bird doesn't like the weeds. Anyway, let me kind of back up a little. I've got this on a pedestal like this. I don't know if that's something that's supposed to hold a candle. I've had different things, different pots, different arrangements there, but that's what I have this terrarium in. I like that a lot. But let me show you some of the others, and maybe I can focus on the weed a little easier. Now here's some of the terrarium that I have out in the front west window. And I think the one that you may be able to see the easiest, it's not quite daylight outside yet. Let me pull one of these over into the light so we can concentrate on seeing those weeds. Let me see, we might be able to tell here. Look right down there in the moss. There's more of the little oxalis coming up in the moss. And did this one have more? Don't see any on that side. But we need to work on that. I did go out into the garage and find some tweezers that I can reach down in there and hopefully pull them out. But isn't this weird, having to weed a terrarium? But I'm not going to let that oxalis take over. Okay, I brought the others in. This one looks pretty good. It's got the little Aurelia, I think that's called, in it. Doesn't quite reach the top, but it's getting there. But I haven't noticed any weeds in the bottom. And in this one, it's probably understandable because I didn't use any outside moss in this one. I put baby tears down there, and they have rooted very successfully and look really good. I think that one's looking fine. And then the other one on this side is the fern. It has, see that one? I have a lid off and on it. And this is the baby tears down there. And I don't know, that's hard to see right there. I don't think that's a weed. Looks like a tiny bit of moss. But I might have to inspect that to see if I can figure out if anything is a weed that I need to get rid of. That looks like a weed. Let me see. What could that be? I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure that one out and get rid of it before it gets too much bigger. That looks like a little bit of the clover or oxalis right there. So maybe that's the same thing. Just another type of weed in the moss that we don't want. So I will get the tweezers and we'll work on weeding. Now I went out to the barn and scrambled around and finally found it. I'll spare you the details. But these are some old, I don't know, long tweezers I call them. They're really a Saute tongs from Pampered Chef, but they work good to manipulate plants and things like that. That's what they look like. They fold outward. This is the, I don't know, you like flip them around and they stick together flat like this, and in the other direction they become tongs. So it works perfectly, and they'll be real good for this size of terrarium that I want to pull weeds with. And I did go pull one to see how it worked. Worked perfectly. Okay, I'm going to try to use my Pampered Chef little tong things to get these. I'm going to start with this one. This is the round bowl, almost like a fish bowl. And I've got to get these plants out. And that for real looks like a sorrel of some kind. So let me bring them down in there and see how this works. I can just get near the base of it. I don't know if I got a root there, got an extra leaf, but let me try another one. It's kind of hard to get in there. Let's see if I can get right there. A little bit lower. It's about over in there. Oops. All right. Let me see if I can set the camera down. I think I can hold the camera. I'm going to bring it right in the front. Let me try this. Okay. I don't think it's going to do very well unless I get it roots and all. Oops, sorry. Got that one. That looks pretty good. Okay. And let's see what else we got in here. I'll give it a good watering down. Looks like I've got a little browning on the moss. Is that a spot right there? I can't tell. Okay, I think that is everything in this bottle. that little spot right there against the log. Look at that. Let me try for that. There. Okay. Now, got a little bit of moss there that I could put back in. But we've at least got a few of them. There. Now, did I have any in this one? I don't think I had any in this pot. Okay, now what about this one? Well, this is the one that had the round. And this is what I'm thinking could possibly be a silver dollar, pennywort. I'm not real sure. Let me see if I can get this a little more centered. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. I think I got him really good. And that does absolutely look like that pennywort stuff. Let me see if I can pick it up and hold it right under the it looks like a little circle, like an umbrella. I think that would be that pennywort or dollarweed. Sorry, my fingers are so dirty. All right, let me see. What else was in this one? I think he's pretty good. So there's a lot of afternoon sun glare on here. But I think that's good for the fern. I'll probably get the tips of some of these ferns that touch the side to remove those. Okay, and then I had the one other one. This one. And I'm going to reach in and get that. Take the lid off. Okay. Where do we have it? Let me see. This is one right here. That wants to pull that whole little edge of moss up. Ooh, I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll, let me see, was there any on this side? Nothing on that side. It's kind of fogged up a little. Any down through there that we can see? I don't know what that little white dot is. Is it a bloom? Okay. I think I'm gonna go get that other piece and see if I can pull on this one. Where is it? Right there? Right there. Looks like the edge of one. I think I'm just gonna have to pull this whole thing out. How about that? we go. I think I got it out. And there it lays. Whoops. I can find where it is. Right there. So we got it root and all. Well, isn't that weird? Weeding my terrarium. And I'm going to pick this back up. And I'll just put her right back in there. Stuff her down the edges. And I'm going to have to mist these all up. But I think that took care of the weeds. I got them all out, I think. So that is the strangest thing. I never thought I would have to weed these terrariums, but I did. But we'll bring you back for another adventure next time something else weird happens. I'll see you on the next video.